Welcome back, my friends. Right now, I am in the dashboard of Shopify developers. I am already signed up and created an account. So right now, I will be logging inside. Alright, so I will just click on login. So after login, I am here in the store section. And from here, I just need to click on the store I want to log in. Alright, here is the store we created rents and codes. So here I am just going to click on login and this takes us to the dashboard of the Shopify store. On the left side we have a bunch of tabs and I am going to explain to you in a moment. The first thing you should understand, it is not just in Shopify any place. You don't need to understand everything. User need to understand the thing which you will be using. For example, if you go to your television or your smartphone setting, you can see a bunch of settings which you don't even use. In the same way in Shopify, there will be a lot of things which you don't even need to use, and as we go along the video lessons, you will understand the things which you need to know. But for this video, I will just give you a brief explanation of what is available in the Shopify dashboard. First, we have the home, and this home basically is home, and it will give you some tips like what you can see right here. And when your store is up and running, it will show you how many people visited your store today and some of the basic data. Alright, after that we have orders, and order basically means order. So when people place order, it will swipe right here. After that we have the products, and this is why you add products and edit products and all those stuff. After that we have customers, and these customers are people who sign up for your newsletter or people who order from your website. So Shopify will collect the customer data and they will solve it right in this step. Alright, after that we have analytics. Analytics basically is analytics. It will show you how many people visit your website, your order value, conversion rate and all those stuff. After that we have marketing, and this is something which I never use because this is something provided by Shopify, but I like to do it manually like Facebook ads, Google ads, and for that you don't need to this one. Alright. Lastly, we have discount. This discount is basically you creating discount code and stuff which you can provide your customer. Right under discount, you can see something called sell center, and this sell center basically means this channel through which you will be selling your product. The first sell center we have right here is online store. So this is the central people to go your online store and buy your product. There are other sell center like Google and Facebook where which we will talk later in this video. Alright, so let's click on the online store, which is the sell signal. And you can see right here, it is showing a bunch of things which I will explain to you right now. So, what does it mean? That is basically where you design your online store. That is. It is a design of our online store, nothing else. Right after team, we have a blog post, and blog post is where you can read blogs. So you're not just selling product in Shopify, you can also write blogs. After that, we have basics, and basics are in your website. So this can be fact. These fact about the space or any space which you want to create. There is some information about your store or business. After pages we have the navigation, and navigation is basically a menu. So in a website we have header menu and footer menu. So header menu is the menu which appear at the top of the website, footer menu the menu that appear at the bottom of the website. To create the menu and to modify it, you do it here in navigation. After navigation we have preferences, and preferences is a quick setting for your online store. Nothing fancy here. Alright, so after online store we have the right here apps, and these apps are basically apps built for Shopify. It's not the one you find in the App Store or Play Store. These are the apps that are dedicated for Shopify. You can use to add some particular feature or some particular function in your online store. We will cover more about this later in this video. After app we add the setting, and you already know what is meant. If I click on this, and there are a lot of things. Alright, so we will be more talk about this later in this video. And like I said, most of this stuff you will never even use, and some of this stuff we will use and we will talk about that. So that is for the video. It is really simple to understand this Shopify dashboard. There is nothing fancy or complicated here. Everything is self-explanatory, and that is for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and like this video, and press the bell icon and subscribe this YouTube channel Get Ecommerce for more future updates. I will see you guys in my next video.